I've never seen anything like this. This is a polka dotted ladybug lawnmower.
Hi, welcome to the video.
Bike. And 'tis fixed. So we're gonna, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart what we tried to do in the last video and go the route we wanted to go in the first place. So we're going that way. Let's do this. All right, so we're back out at the Greenway Cannonsburg trailhead, and there used to be a bridge here at some point. Yeah, this is deja vu. So we're just gonna try to redo this, and we'll redo this last ride. So let's get to the first things first. So make sure you subscribe to me. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I can't do that. I'm not that kind. I'm not that weird. Actually, I'm very weird. All right, so please like the video, subscribe to it. Adventure time. Anyways, we are I don't know where we're going. We're just I still remember the kind of route that I was gonna take, but the bike, what happened to the bike? Here we go. What happened to the bike? Well, I had to buy a front and rear derailleur, and I had to completely replace the back rim, and it wasn't cheap. But the employees at the Trek store, ole, 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 ole. Woo! All right, we're good. Oh crap, shifting. Okay. All the people at the Trek store were amazing. Steve up there was absolutely amazing. Ken, as always, Ryan, and all the other guys up there, they're just absolutely amazing. They took care of me. Ole, 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 ole. Ole. That'll work. We have to stay here and watch it because that's where we're going. Look at that. Right there, that's good. Just as I was about to turn the camera off, this train decides it's gonna come through. I'll see you guys in a second as soon as this train's done passing. Okay. So I have to give a big shout out to Mr. Roger for helping me get my bike back up on the road. My brother and his lovely wife, Chrissy, and for also helping, because there was a few more things that came up and I wouldn't have covered it. And then let's see here, big, huge shout out to my brother from another mother, the musical genius, Ben. Thank you so much for the donation to the Great Cycle Challenge, which officially now we have met the financial goal. I have a spider web, right? That's what GoPros. That's what GoPros are for. The water is not very nice today. Well, here we go doing this stupid thing again. Last time we were over there, that's where the Silverado hid that there was no sidewalk. But we're gonna take this side back because I think this side has more sidewalk to it. And when there's no sidewalk, there's places like this where we can just drive right through. I'm not sure how much battery we got left, but we're gonna run it. This time we're also not taking the long way once we get over the interstate up here. We're gonna just stay straight the whole way because it'll take us straight home. Ah! All right, so no sidewalk, but there is a place we can ride. Oh, that's soft. Holy crap. Okay, this might be a little sketch coming up. This is the only part I was worried about, is right up here. Yep, that's all fenced off, so we're gonna have to make this work. Kick down into our second ring. Oh, there's a little path here. I thought we were gonna have to go up that. Nope. It's like his little cemetery right there. And I have my bike lights on. I remembered. The only thing hard about being vegetarian now, holy crap, is Zaxby's. They're so damn good. I love Zaxby's. I almost went to Shelbyville, which is another 20 miles from where I was. But I've got stuff to do this evening, and I need to go home, start getting this video ready to go, which usually my videos are done, edited and ready to go the day I film them. Ooh, this ain't good. I'm looking up ahead and it just kind of cuts right into the road. All right, so we're gonna have to play this smart. Very, very smart. Because it is a very tiny shoulder. Very, very tiny shoulder. All right, going for it. The water is gross. That's water, by the way. Oh, how gracious of them to put a little sidewalk right here. That's so sweet of them. Hello, I-24 again. So do we have a sidewalk? Whew! Starting to feel it. Shouldn't have stopped. I was feeling good until I stopped, got some Gatorade, and now I'm just like, ugh, bedtime. Whew! But we're making progress here. So far, no issues with the bike. I'm not used to that. I'm not used to just being able to ride and do my thing and not have to worry if I'm gonna make it back home without calling somebody. Like, I like this kind of carefree riding. It's really nice. There we go, now you can see me talk. How about that? At least I think you can. So I'm trying to keep the camera up. All right, so we have a green light, so we should be able to just roll right through here. Okay, so this cemetery over here, a tree, you see the road going up? There's a tree right next to that. It is the creepiest tree I have seen. It looks like something straight out of a horror flick. Yeah, we're still good. We still have a Gatorade back there. And there goes the Gatorade. Oh no, the turtle's down there. I mean, they just jumped in. We didn't see them, but they are down there. Guys, my GoPro case finally broke. It finally broke for my Hero 3. But that's okay, I have another one. Ah, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. See, people laughed when I said I bring zip ties with me. I could technically still use it like this. There we go. All right, so we are gonna end it right here. So, thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, bells, whistles, shit. Censored. Oh God. And there goes a Gatorade.